Welcome to the Introduction to Therapy Intake Forms. My name is Kat and I am a Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron. In this video, I'm going to outline what a therapy intake form is before giving you a tutorial on how you can use our form template within your healthcare practice. An intake form provides a therapy practice with all of the information that is required to ensure they treat a patient appropriately. These forms typically include personal details, past medical information, social history, and insurance information. Intake forms are part of the onboarding process, and successful therapy treatment will only work if the patient has completed a comprehensive intake form, giving the practice and the therapist the information they need to make correct and accurate clinical decisions. There are two main options for when patients should complete an intake form. Option 1 is to complete the form on the day of the appointment, while the patient is in the waiting room. Option 2, which is the option we would recommend, is asking the patient to complete the form prior to the day of their appointment. This helps automate the onboarding process and improves efficiency. Fortunately, using our therapy intake form template is extremely simple. You just have to follow these 3 steps. Firstly, you need to download the template. You can access a PDF version and then save this to your device to use at a later time. Secondly, you need patients to complete the form. After a new patient signs up to your clinic, you need to distribute the form to them so they can fill it in. Lastly, after the form has been completed, you need to upload the data to your system. There are different ways that you can do this, but we recommend using an online EHR. This will ensure that the data is stored securely and that your patient information is protected. Here is an example of what our therapy intake form template looks like once it's been filled in. Feel free to pause the video anytime to take a closer look. You can also access the therapy intake form from within the Carepatron platform. As you can see on the left side here, we're in the calendar section. If you click down below on the templates tab, you'll be taken to the resource library. From here, you can filter by community templates, and then you can search by keywords like therapy intake form. When you find the template that you want to work with, simply click on the blue Choose Template icon and then assign a patient to the note. Now you're in a draft tab for the intake form, and you can make the relevant edits and changes before clicking on the blue Publish button down below, which will save the form securely.